I'm going to show you guys on your phone. This actually works, guys. It's super insane, so keep watching the video. Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this insane Pocket FM free coins. So as you can see, we're low, 20,000, but press the button and you can add free coins. So I'm going to press unlock. Let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, guys, the coins are going up. So I'm just going to wait for this to load, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. Super cool, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. And as you can see, it says coins were added. So 20,000 right now. So let's see if it goes up. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Pocket FM hack so you can get free coins. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing is go to matrixmods.com. So let me just type it in right here. So it's matrixmods.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Pocket FM, and then press download. So before the mod downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it's going to take me over to the verification page, and I literally just got to download like 2 of these apps. So you don't have to do all of them, but just make sure you do 2. So like DraftKings has its own instructions. Then we got Underdog Fantasy, which says like down run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. Also, make sure you go to Settings app and turn on the background app refresh, and also turn off the low power mode, and you're going to be good to go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out. matrixmods.com, guys, that's the site where you can get this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super awesome, and this totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's really cool, and I've had no problems with it whatsoever, so I think it's going to work for you guys too. So definitely give it a try if you're rich for Pocket FM, and now you will be. So yeah, super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free coins on Pocket FM, because this actually works, guys, and it's really wild.